Hello everyone. Today see lesson 2 optics. In this lesson we are learning the topics law of refraction, properties of light, scattering of light and its various kinds, image formed by concave and convex lens, ray diagram of concave and convex lens, working of human eye and optical instruments and some of the numerical problems. In this video, we discuss the subtopics are introduction of light, introduction of rays, introduction of objects. And next important topic is properties of light. It is the very important 5 mark. And the last topic refraction of light and its 2 laws. One is the first law of refractions. Next another one is the second law of refractions. The second law of refractions is also called the Snell's law. Now we discuss the topic optics. The optics is nothing but it is the study of light, like properties of light and behavior of light. The optics is one of the branches of physics. Next one, object. There are 2 types of the object. One is the luminance object. Another one is the non-luminance object. The luminance object means some of the sources emit their own light, like stars and then sun. What is the non-luminance object? Some of the object not capable of producing light but can be capable of reflecting light from another source. For example, moon. We are able to see object with the help of our eyes but cannot see any object in a dark room. Then how can we see the object? We can see the object only when the light is made to fall on the objects and the light reflected from the objects is viewed by our eyes. In this chapter, we shall discuss the topics scattering of light, images formed by convex and concave lenses, human eye, optical instrument like telescope and then microscope. Next to see the topic properties of light. It is the very important 5 mark. The first property is light is the form of energy. Light is the form of energy. Second point is it is travel straight line only. It is travel to straight line only. Third point, does not need any medium. What is the medium? Solid, liquid and gases. Travel through the vacuum space also. Okay. Next point, the speed of light. What is the speed of light? C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. M is per minus 1. It is pronounced with meter per second. Next one, light is in the form of waves. Light is in the form of waves. The speed of light equation is C is equal to V into lambda. C means speed of light, V means frequency and lambda means wavelength. Next one, different colored have the different wavelength and frequencies. Okay, different colored light have the different wavelength and then frequencies. For example, violet light has the lowest wavelength and red light has the highest wavelength. It is the 1 mark. Violet light have the lowest wavelength and red light have the highest wavelength. And then last point, when light is incident interface between 2 media, partially reflected and partially refracted. Partially reflected and partially refracted. Next topic, refraction of light. When the ray of light travels one transparent medium to another transparent medium, the path of light undergoes certain deviation. This deviation of light is called the rays. This rays is called the refractions of light. This refraction takes place different velocity of light in different media. The velocity of light more in the rarer medium and then less in the denser medium. This is the 1 mark. The velocity of light more in the rarer medium and less in the denser medium. This refraction of light obey 2 laws. First one, first law of refraction and second law of refractions. Now see the first law of refractions. See the diagram. The incident ray of light and reflected ray of light lie in the same plane. This is the first law of refraction. Second one, the ratio of the sine of angle of incident and sine of angle of refraction is equal to the ratio of refractive index of the two media. The second law of refraction is also known as Snell's law. It is the 2-mark question. Next point, refractive index. The refractive index is defined as the ratio of speed of light in vacuum and speed of light in medium. The speed of light is indicated to how fast and how slow. See the next point. Speed of light in medium is low and refractive index is high. Then another way, speed of light in medium is high, the refractive index is low. Suppose the light is travel to denser medium to rarer medium, the refracted ray is bent away from the normal line. And then last point, suppose the light travel to rarer medium to denser medium, it's the same, the refracted ray is bent away from the normal line. Okay students, I hope we are all understand in these topics. Thank you.